Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now let's tap on this 3 bars icon. As you can see here, we've got the self timer option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got actually 4 options to choose from. We can set it off just like now, or we can set either 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick for example 10 seconds delay, so simply tap on the time you want to use. As you can see, the icon has changed, so now let's get back to the camera, and it is also visible on the shutter button because we've got a small timer icon right here. So let me touch the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on this device is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, 3 bars icon, self timer, and let me pick for example 5 seconds. Let's get back and the shutter button. The same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. Now let's turn off the timer, just tap here and tap on off. As you can see, the icon also changed, now it is crossed out, so let's go back. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.